Hello there and welcome back. In this lecture, I will show you how to write a function that generates a unique ID for each message. In JavaScript and in many other programming languages, a unique ID is generated by using the current time and date. But first, we will ask ChatGPT to provide me with JavaScript code. I already asked ChatGPT to create a JavaScript function that generates a unique ID by combining the current timestamp and randomly generated hexadecimal string. And it gives me this code, which is exactly what we need. So you can copy this code or back to our VS Code to write this code line by line. Create a function called generate unique ID, then type const timestamp is equal to date.now. To make it even more random, we will type const random number is equal to math.random. And we will add another random number by typing const hexadecimal string is equal to random number dot toString. We will get 16 characters. And finally, we will return the ID with the template string ID dash timestamp then dash hexadecimal string. We will now be sure that this will create a unique random ID. And we are working on the logic for our AI application. In the next lecture, we will create a function called chatStripe for chat messages. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.